In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkbox to Wix. To get started, first log into your Wix account. Once you're signed in, you'll usually land on your site's dashboard. If you're not already in the right area, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the section labeled Setup, or the main site you want to work on. From there, go to the top right corner and click on Edit Site. This will open your website inside the Wix editor, which is where we'll be doing all the work. When the editor has loaded, take a look at the left toolbar. This is where you can add all kinds of elements to your site. Find the plus icon, which is the button for adding elements, and click it. A panel will slide out showing different categories of elements you can use. Scroll or look through this list and find the input category, since checkboxes are an input element that visitors can interact with. Click on Input and then select Checkboxes. Wix will now show you a range of checkbox layouts and styles you can choose from. These might include simple single checkboxes or groups of options. Browse through them and click on the layout that best fits your form or design. As soon as you click, that checkbox element will be added directly onto your page in the editor. You can now drag and drop the checkbox around the page to position it exactly where you want it. Take a moment to place it near the rest of your form fields or wherever it makes the most sense in your layout. Next, with the checkbox element selected, you'll see a small floating toolbar appear close to it. On that toolbar, click on Manage Choices. A small pop-up will appear showing the list of checkbox options that are currently available for that element. Inside this pop-up, hover your mouse over any existing choice. You'll see a More Options icon appear for that specific choice. Click it, and you'll get options like setting that choice to be checked by default, duplicating it, editing the label text, or deleting it entirely. To reorder the choices, hover over the ellipses on the left side of a choice, then click, drag, and drop it up or down. If you want to add another single option, click Add a Choice. If you need to add several options at once, choose Add Multiple Choice and fill them in. When you're happy with everything, your checkboxes are ready to use, and that's it.